as beautiful as Ariel balloon.
Okay, let's start. Okay, step number 13. Okay. We need big white base plates, yeah?
Floor is done. Step number 14. And the white one is always the finish section. And the blue scrap and the pieces that only fit that. Section name is in the corner of the screen. Also, if you want to see the previous video, click right here. It is in the description. And please subscribe to our channel. Okay. Now let's get building. Here.
Yes.
Bye.
Number 15.
Now we are making the living room and the bathroom. In the living room, there will be white purple window and the yellow one in the bathroom and a brick wall between them. Step number 16. Can I open the door? Yes, you can. Open the door, Mama. Open the door.
Okay, turn the page of the instruction book. Step number
17. Now have the attached cabinet and the graded stickers.
good. Attach it. Room.
As soon as the living room. And the graded too. The best.
Beveled parts are now attached on both sides.
This will be a basket that has 3 electric toothbrushes.
Wow, that's great. Where are toothbrushes?
1, 2, 3. One is yellow, one blue, one yellow. And then even have a special for soap. Here.
For liquid soap.
A toothpaste.
Toothpaste. That's great. Okay.
I furnished the living room. I'm making here. It's a cozy bed. Is it big?
Yeah.
Look, and I have this guitar.
Okay.
Like this.
And we are adding the bedding.
Now it's soft and comfy. I know. I will now just look.
That's nice.
Step number 19.
Step number 19. We have to finish bathroom. Arisha wanted to add red towel instead of yellow one.
Kitchen. This one.
Okay, put this towel in the drawer.
Here.
Yeah, put it there.
Now I'm finishing the steak. I decorate it with a decorate. Is it cutie?
Yes. Okay.
And a toilet.
Toilet. Good. Okay, and I guess bathroom is done, almost done, and we have to attach this nice blue chair. Stool.
Nice big chair. This is the biggest house ever. Big as a dinosaur.
Oh my gosh, that is big.
That's the soft floor.
Step number.
Enter.
Snap it tightly. Step number 22.
22. Okay.
Step number 23.
Step number 23. 20. 3. Look, it's nice needles. I decorated this with doggy and flowers.
Cute. Okay.
A top is adorable going.
Patron directions. They have to look in the house. In house.
See?
Uh-huh.
Step number 25. The outer is like fin.
Okay, start building it.
Just roll. No doing it.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
It's like a little dog. And the top.
Now a bed.
Now this flip. Okay.
Okay, put blanket inside of it. Yeah.
Let me get a little one. I want to sleep in this bed.
And I guess Doggy wants to hang out in the attic. Yeah, that's cool.
You saving
Where
now?
are you guys? What are you doing in the attic? Are you playing there?
I'm going to show you a tip how to make a drawer. Look. I want to make a chest of drawer.
Arisha, and show us kitchen utensils.
Milk, a pen, a kettle,
Yeah, that's
and
great.
the house is done.
Great! Let's throw a tea.
And Tiffany!
Okay!
Buzzard cake is ready. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Landy. Happy birthday to you.
Kirisha, say happy birthday.
Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Bye. Happy birthday.